Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn in this video how to use alias and what is the alias in the PowerShell. So let's get started. Now here is the alias type. What type of alias is available in PowerShell? That is the built-in alias, user-defined alias. What is the built-in alias? Let's say what a alias. Now PowerShell provides the short name for frequently used commandlet. Like you are writing a full command, instead of writing a full command, you can use the short name for that particular command. Can be created, so alias can be created or changed by the user. Use parameter name or the normally would, or pass them the positively. And here is the example how you can use the alias. So get child item hyphen path c colon recurs. Instead of writing the get child item, you can use the ls or dir or the cgi. So all three commands will provide you the same detail, same output as the get child item is providing to you. Let me open my PowerShell and I can show you the practically. Now, so let's start it. Okay, so I have opened the PowerShell get hyphen child item, and I'm not defining any path and all, so just let's hit the enter. And what we have here, we got these many listed from under the users and the Harvansh. So all these data we are getting here. Now instead of using this get child item, I can use the ls command. Sorry. So here I can use ls, and you can see the data is the same. And instead of this, I can use dir, so directly also providing the same data, and the gci command. So gci command also will provide you the same output. So alias is used to use the short name for that particular command. Now let's move it to the next slide. Here is built-in aliases created and maintained by the PowerShell, and do not change the built-in alias. So whatever default aliases they are, do not change them. If you want new one, so you can define as something else out of the built-in alias. Ace of the PowerShell adoption for the Windows cmd.exe, command.exe, and the Nix administrator. So that will built-in alias save time when typing the interactive command. So instead of typing the full command, you can write the short name for that particular command. So list of all aliases, how you can get the list of all aliases available in the PowerShell. So let's use it. CLS get hyphen alias and enter. So all these aliases available in the PowerShell. You can make a note, or whenever you are writing any PowerShell command, you can use these aliases. Like for each object, you can use the percentage, or the where object, you can use the question mark, or the add content, you can use AC, and the get content, you can use the cat command, and set location the cd. So all these are commands, are aliases are available in the PowerShell. Let's move it to next. For the user defined alias, or how the user can define any of the aliases. What is user defined alias? Created and maintained by the user. So user is creating their own alias for a particular commandlet. Are not maintained when the windows or script closed. If you closed your the script, that will not maintain. So that means is, what the alias you define or you create the new alias will work until you close the PowerShell. Save time when typing the interactive command. Definitely that will be saving your time to, instead of writing the full command. Now should not be used in the script. So when you are writing any script or using any of the automation, so you should not use it, because after you close the PowerShell, that alias, the user defined alias will gone. So alias commandlet. So these are the commands we can use. Get alias hyphen name like dir, or you can just use the get alias or list of all users. So let me show you this. Like what we were using it now, get hyphen ali get alias, so it's providing all the list. And if you are just doing it hyphen name and filtering the data, can type as a like dir, so it will let you know why we are using the dir alias. So dir alias will provide you the get child item, like the full name, complete command name is a get child item. Other command is here export. You can export the alias and you can import the alias and you can create the new alias. Let me go to the next slide. So creating a custom alias, how you can use the custom alias here, and here is the output. So can use the new alias, like let's go for its new alias. Okay, ALIA, new alias hyphen name, and I'm going to give the name is a dir. So here is the command, the name, and what the name I'm going to give is, let's give the list, and hyphen for the value is for what, value value, it's for get hyphen child item, and just enter. So now your new alias name is list for what, for the your get child item. So instead of writing the dir, you can use the list. Now let me hit the list, list list, and I am getting the output as a get child item. So if let's test it, hyphen get child item, and what I'm getting, so we are getting this output, and instead of using this, we define our alias is the name is a list, so you can use the list. But this user defined alias will work until you close the PowerShell. So after closing the PowerShell, your alias will gone, so you cannot use the alias again. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how to use the alias in the PowerShell, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you.